So we're supposed to be out in the canoe right now, but there's a storm that's gonna hit within 30 minutes. So we're doing some quick shore fishing. Let's see if we can catch smallies or anything out of here, really. So, but we won't be here for very long. Got one. That was cool. White bass. It's a good white bass too. White bass. Yeah. White bass like crappies. Well, we only got about 30 minutes in. Not even. I probably only got about 15 casts in. But there's a shelf cloud over there. And yeah, we're about to get stormed on. At least I got one white bass. All right, Dad, let's get out of here. You did get one. I don't know why the other ones are so finicky. All right, it's time to go. Yeah, that's why we're not in the canoe. I hope it's a crappie. Oh, it's bluegill. Yeah, it's a bluegill. Yeah, they fight very scrappy. Yeah, I think you got a bass. It seems like it's not big enough or not small enough to be a bluegill. Probably a bass. Yeah. What is it? I think you got a bass. Catfish?
Maybe cat.
Runs like a catfish?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. If it goes into the weeds, it's gonna be a fight.
Yeah.
Just patient. It should come out. Just be patient. No. Yeah, you see the grass? That's not I hope you didn't snag a carp.
Maybe.
Because you see all the bubbles? Well, the bubbles could be from the grass too. I'll go back a little. It's still there?
Can you back up a little?
Yep, I'm gonna back up. That way you can fight. Okay. Oh, it's a bass! See? Told you it's a bass.
Yeah.
Yeah. Eat the bass! More, pull it more. Pull it more. Dad got a bass. A lot of salad. Dad got a bass. Here, Dad. Yeah, that one might be the same one. I saw one chasing bluegills. Oh. And then you threw it at the spot, and then you got it. Yeah, so it's probably the same one. Yep.
Okay, thank you. Look at me.
Bass. Yeah, little bass. Yay. Oh. Thanks, buddy. Smaller than your bass. Smaller than your bass. Yeah, yeah, a little bluegill. Yeah, little bluegill. Oh, and then the wind pull us in. Yeah. They're big. They're big here. Wow, that one's big. Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Whoa, that one's fat too. They're all pretty. Yep. Yeah, it is. Finally, they finally got a bass. Nope. Yep. Finally got one. Yeah. So worked so hard for one bass. Bye bye. I got bass too. No, let's go. Yeah, I think they seem to like this area more this time. The last couple times is always the channel that's good, but now I think the fish are all here. You sure that's bluegill?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It's fighting like bluegill?
I use a
Yeah, you're right. Yeah. Mom got bluegill too. Yeah. Ooh, that's a big one. That one's fat. Very orange. Very orange. Oh, Mom got one too.
The one at the bottom,
Uh-huh.
you take it,
Yep.
then you lose it, and I bring it up, and the one at the top take it.
That happens sometimes.
Oh, mine is small.
Yep, Mom got one too. Small one this time. Yep, that's true.
Smaller and smaller.
Mom got one.
Yeah. I told you I say fish down here.
Yep.
You go there, catch it up.
Yep. I told you the channel's all shad now. They dominate. Yep. Another bass. Yep. Another bass. Huh?
Bass.
Bass, yeah. Thank you. Yeah, yep, put your hood up. Yeah, maybe they're using it for shade. That one's another fat one. That's a big one. That's a really big one. I might need it. Let's see. I don't think this is a bass. I think this is a catfish. It's not fighting like a bass. It's fighting like a catfish. Yeah, I think this is a catfish. I think GR bass. Yeah, there's no way this is a bass. This has got to be a catfish. If it's a bass, it's gonna be a giant bass. Yep, I gotta bring it to the open. I don't want it to go into the weeds. He's already in the weeds though, that's the problem. That's why I think it's a catfish.
Yeah.
I think I might have lost it.
No?
I think so. Because he's not coming anymore. He's not fighting anymore. Either that or he's wrapped in the grass. Yeah. Yeah, he's got a lot of grass.
Come up.
It's almost. Told you it's a catfish. No, not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet. Okay, okay, okay.
Oh, it's so big. It's so big. I love that.
Let me go to the open.
Okay, we're going to
It's a blue.
It's a blue, yeah.
Oh.
I wasn't trying to catch it. They're here. Yeah, though. Here you go, Dad. Look. Look at the stomach.
He or she is a little hungry.
Yeah, probably eat. You know, they probably eat all the shad.
Yeah.
I didn't want you anyways.
Bye.
I didn't want you.
No, this one is more small.
Yeah, it's a tiny one.
This one.
Oh, it's not too bad. Oh, yo! Dad's way into the seaweed. Okay, there you go. He got it. Bluegill. More bluegill. Oh! Yeah. Oh, no, bass. It looks skinny. I thought it was a walleye. Another bass.
3 bags, 1 bag.
They used to be so much bigger than this. I don't know what happened to all the big ones. Yeah, probably hiding under the weeds. A big one? It's fish. Oh, no, it didn't. It just came towards the canoe. Oh, you got a bass. Yeah. You didn't even know it was a bass. Oh, that's a good one too. A little 1 pound bass. Yeah, that's funny. I saw your line. I was like, that's not moving like your